I'd like to spend a minute or two going over the IDE architecture. We have a couple of basic model types you can see from that second widget on the screen. There's the application and of course the components that it contains, and additionally the type registry. Those models are reflected in a number of views. It's a model view controller paradigm. The views are fairly numerous: inspectors, toolbars. The inspector is, of course, for configuring the component or changing its state. The toolbar, of course, reacts dynamically to any selections in the IDE, and the toolbar is, of course, updated. The same for the palettes. There are two palettes, one for creation of components and another for configuring those components. We've got numerous editors and customizers for all of the component and primitive types. There are two basic log views, one for the application itself, creation and configuration, validation, and then a second log to actually go over any issues when we compile the manual event handlers, which is an optional step, or any problems in packaging or deployment. We'll see those in the deployment logs. And then, of course, there's the main tree view that actually shows the structure of your application and all of the components and event handlers. So these views are basically reflecting a model structure that you can see in the third column at the top, where we show an application as a structured category, collection of components organized by category. Those components have properties. The components can have children under those different property nodes. And then a component can additionally have event handlers. And just below from that, we can see the logical representation of the type registry, where we have a number of bundles. Those bundles contain types, and the component type surfaces a collection of properties, actions, and events. The other component features, such as services and states, rules, those aren't surfaced through the designer, so they aren't shown.